Welcome to Wonders of Nature. Today, we will explore the iconic animal of the African continent, the African elephant. With its massive size, remarkable intelligence, and rich social life, the African elephant is not only the largest land animal but also a living testament to the grandeur of Africa's natural world. Join us as we uncover fascinating insights about this extraordinary creature. This giant truly symbolizes strength and majesty. Standing up to 4 meters tall and weighing over 6 tons, these gentle giants dominate the land-based food chain, not through aggression, but through their sheer natural magnificence. One of their most recognizable features is their enormous ears. Not only do these ears bear a distinctive shape reminiscent of the continent they inhabit, but they also play a crucial role in helping them survive the scorching African heat. By flapping their ears, blood flowing through the numerous vessels in the ear is cooled, acting like a natural fan to regulate their body temperature. Their trunk, their most extraordinary tool, is the result of millions of years of evolution. Composed of over 40,000 individual muscles, it possesses incredible strength yet remarkable precision. It is strong enough to lift heavy tree trunks but delicate enough to pick up a single blade of grass or gently touch a member of the herd as a gesture of encouragement. Beyond its use for feeding and drinking, the trunk serves as an essential communication tool. When they are happy, they flap their trunks. To express friendliness, they touch trunks with one another. It is a silent language filled with emotion and connection in the natural world. Far more than a symbol of strength, they also embody a sense of friendliness and harmony, inspiring awe in anyone who witnesses the majestic beauty of these extraordinary creatures. The African elephant is renowned not only for its enormous size but also for being an emotionally rich creature that thrives in close-knit herds. Each herd typically consists of 10 to 20 individuals, led by the eldest female, often referred to as the matriarch. This leadership role is determined not only by age but also by her exceptional wisdom and experience, which help the herd navigate and overcome the harsh challenges of their environment. The herd is the foundation of this species' way of life. Its members not only live together but also care deeply for one another, especially for the young. When a baby elephant is born, the entire herd takes part in protecting and nurturing it. This collective care ensures that the young learn how to survive and, more importantly, feel the strong bonds of family. Their communication methods are equally remarkable. Elephants use a variety of sounds, ranging from deep rumbles, some of which are inaudible to humans, to physical gestures like trunk touches. These low-frequency rumbles can travel for miles, enabling herds to stay connected even over vast distances. Research has highlighted the extraordinary memory of elephants. They can remember specific water sources, migration routes, and even the faces of humans who have either helped or harmed them. When a herd member passes away, the entire group often gathers around the body, displaying a profound sense of mourning. Some elephants even revisit the site where a member died, as if to pay their respects. Despite being mighty giants, African elephants cannot withstand the destruction caused by humans. Over the past century, their population has plummeted at an alarming rate. The greatest threat comes from poaching for ivory, a highly illegal practice that brings enormous profits. In just a few minutes, an adult elephant can lose its life, leaving the herd in chaos and grief. They are not only gentle giants but also symbols of intelligence, strength, and unity. If you feel a deep appreciation for this magnificent animal, share the video to spread the message of protecting nature. Thank you for watching Wonders of Nature. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the next stories.